All right, good morning, everybody. It is the start of day 3. I am already sweating my butt off. It's gonna be a glorious day today. As you can see behind me, everything is now running and looking beautiful. All that's left is getting some big, huge back-breaking boulders in place and all the river rock, gravel, all of that finishing touches to really bring this home. We gotta tie in some lighting, hook up an auto fill valve, and as you can see, we're reconnecting the irrigation that was cut when we started excavating this, because this beautiful property needs its water to stay looking glorious. So with every omelet you make, you gotta break a couple eggs, right? Am I right, Sean?
Yeah.
Yeah, so with this omelet, we broke some irrigation pipe. Hey, take it easy. Jeez Louise, you know? So we just spent a little bit of time with the homeowner, who is a licensed plumber and happens to have all of the tools and materials needed to repair his irrigation. So we helped him out. We put this back together and it's all good to go. Sometimes there's things buried in the ground that even the homeowner doesn't know about. And when you want a water feature, sometimes you find those things while you're digging. And that's what happened here. It's super important you guys call DigSafe if you're gonna have a water feature built on your property, but things like irrigation lines are not gonna show up. Those are mostly looking for communication wire, fiber optics, gas lines, sewage lines, water lines from the street, really expensive and problematic things if you hit. Those should be easy for DigSafe to find, but things like irrigation or unknown things previous homeowners have buried, you never know what you're gonna find. But we find them. So we've got a lot of cobbles and gravel going in. We got a waterfall cooling area that Mason's working on right now, and I'm about to start putting some of this underwater illumination in place. So we have those brand new fountain ring lights in each one of the 3 stack slate features, but we're also gonna uplight things with these 3-watt spotlights so we get a beautiful ambiance back here. That's the word of the day, ambiance. Mason, you need to say the word of the day for the camera.
Ambiance?
No, you gotta say it better.
Ambiance.
Sean,
What?
say ambiance.
Ambiance.
Oh my. Okay, Sean's not playing today, but you guys get the picture. There'll be great ambiance. All right, so right now I'm super excited because we have the water feature back up and running, and we're working on beautifying the edges. So we've got a lot of our larger stone in place, our big accent boulders, our cobbles, which are these larger pieces of gravel. All that stuff's in place. And now we're making that transition from the water feature to the external landscaping. So we're starting to transition to smaller stone, more of a pea stone and a 1 to 2 inch gravel. And it's gonna softly blend, cohabitate, commingle with the landscaping on the outside. You want to make that transition really natural and smooth, and that's what we're working on right now. So the final 10%. So all that's left is the finished graveling, doing all our edges and hiding this liner. And once we're done, it's going to look like this. Thanks for watching these videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching us build this fountscape. This is a custom fountscape. It was a blast to build. This homeowner's amazing. 3rd water feature for them. Who knows how many more are in the future. If you enjoyed this, please let us know. Comment down below, like, share, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. But until next time, I still gotta finish cleaning up with these guys, so I'm out of here.